Why exactly are we working? Why do people work? They want to do कर्म योग. भारत में तो बहुत सारे लोग आपको मिलेंगे जो कहेंगे whatever I am doing is कर्म योग only. But you know, usually you are working because रजस एक एलिमेंट होता है मनुष्य के सिस्टम में, that sort of pushes you. You can't keep still for long. It pushes you towards action. So you see, it's a constitutional necessity for most people to work. So work, learn the art of working in such a manner that you are able to elevate yourself through that work. यही तो कर्म योग है. Work you will do. We will go beyond impulsiveness, compulsiveness and study the art of working. But you see, at any given point of time, your natural tendency will be towards work, moving outward. So Karma Yoga is a way of changing the subject by objective means. So this impulse of Rajas in us can be converted into a yoga of changing the subject, changing you through your work. So this is the ideal of Karma Yoga. And also there is an obligatory moral duty for you towards society, towards the people of the world, towards everyone on this earth, because you have drawn so much from society. Do you acknowledge that? आप थोड़ा सोच के देखो, today you are 18 or 20 or 24, whatever. So many years, who has provided for you? The homes you live in, the objects you use, the ideas that you think, they are all due to the labors of others. आपने क्या दिया है अभी तक? For a simple plate of food to come in front of you, do you know how many people have labored? At least 15 people have labored. So please see this, it's mandatory, it's obligatory for you to contribute. You must do it. It's not that we stand on a high pedestal and say, मैंने ये किया, ये दिया. No, I have taken so much unconsciously in building my system, building this body and mind. We have taken so much from this society, from this culture, from the world, from the labors of others, that I have to give back. I have to make my contribution. So it is nothing great to do कर्म योग. ये आपको करना ही है, देना ही है, जीवन है ही देने के लिए. अगर this point if we are not able to digest, that the meaning of life is to be able to give, fulfillment lies in being able to give, then you have not grasped the spirit of कर्म योग. जो कर्म योगी होते हैं वो देने में ही उनकी खुशी होती है, लेने में झिझकते हैं वो. जितना लोगे उतना you will see the mind contracts, and jitna de sakoge, the mind expands. Happiness just pours into that mind. So the natural impulse of a karma yogi is to give as much as possible. You see, in today's world, on this planet, I think the population of this planet is 7.3 billion just now. In that, 1/7 the world is still reeling under impoverishment, reeling under poverty. There is so much to do. In so many ways, wherever you will be, there is so much you can contribute. And if this hobby of contributing, doing good to others, bringing benefit to others, helping others, if this doesn't become part of your life, कर्म योग पढ़ने का कोई मतलब नहीं है. This natural tendency should come in. Only this is going to go with me. जो कर्म हम करते हैं ना, that is your permanent account in a way, your permanent credit in a way. Because that not only brings you success here, it builds your character. It takes care of the third effect of karma. It generates your destiny. So be careful about karma. At any given point of time, you should be able to say, I am a contributor. I take pride in being able to contribute. I take pride in serving. I don't take so much joy in getting, but I take pride in serving, in giving. If you are able to give, you will always be happy. So this is the spirit of Karma Yoga. Also try to understand that one grows into a civilized human being only through social participation and conscious participation, isn't it? Because we live as a society, we live together, there is exchange at the physical level. You see, the food you are eating is created by somebody. The ideas you are thinking is created by somebody, invented by somebody, isn't it? So you are using all of this, which means what? We are connected. So you must make your contribution. It is only obligatory, mandatory on your part to do this. This is the spirit of Karma Yoga.